Welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. As of the time that I am filming this, 2 days ago, my channel hit 1,000 subscribers. I can hardly believe that this is like happening. I started this channel the very end of January and turned 45 in February. And I think my family and my people were like, well, what are you doing? Starting a YouTube channel at 45? But I don't know, it's weird to say that I'm proud of myself but I am. I'm proud of myself for reinventing myself and finding a purpose doing things that I love. So I just wanted to say thank you for everybody that is supporting me. It means the world to me. This week's video, I'm going to try a little bit different format. My older 2 kids are in camp all week, so I have my youngest with me. So we went thrift shopping yesterday.
Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. We're at the thrift store. What are we gonna buy? Guess who's shopping with mom today? Me!
I've been trying to stay out of the thrift store. I do need to join a support group. I will be the leader. Thrifting as if you have a booth already, which I don't. But here's my plan. I am starting to set up a booth in my basement. I have a place that I kind of want to go to locally in the Cumming, Georgia area. So in my mind, I'm setting the booth up downstairs in my basement to kind of show my husband that I already have like the inventory and it's worth the risk. So I went yesterday with my daughter and I was going to show you a little bit of my thrift haul. I hope you enjoy this format. Let me know in the comments below which format you guys prefer. Just trying to figure some of this stuff out. So let's get started. The color of the day was orange, which means anything that's tagged orange is 50% off, and all kitchen things and kitchen appliances and electronics are 50% off. So the first thing I got was the shelf. It's marked at $3, so I got it for $1.50 because it was orange. I do not love this heart, but my thought was I would either fill this in or put something over the top of it and obviously do some painting or something to it. So I always pick these up when I see these at the thrift store. These were 50 cents a piece to use as like little decor, or you can even paint or do something fun to them. You can even put little paint on the handles just to kind of stick out of things. Very good for staging. So this was labeled orange. So this was $2.50 because it was labeled as $5, but I really like the shape of this. I think I'm going to paint this white, maybe with a textured paint, and put a stamp on it. I thought this would be a really, really cute little piece of pottery. I have an obsession. This one was 50 cents. And then I thought this one was kind of fun. This one was $1, but it has a seal on it and it has some ridges on it, so I couldn't pass it up. It has like a fun color. Now you can see why I have a problem. My house was already finished being built when we bought it. It was new construction. But the fixtures in here are gold, which I don't think I ever would have picked, but I'm kind of enjoying this new look. I don't know what I will end up doing to this. This was $1. It is like a little stand, so I'm probably going to clean it up and keep it its original color just because this is in my house. This could end up in any one of my 3 daughters' rooms as, like, you put an iPad on it, you put, who knows. This guy was in the kitchen, so it's a solid piece of a very used cutting board. It was $1.50, that's what I paid for it. I'm going to sand this down and use some food grade oil to finish it off, and hopefully it'll look brand new. If it doesn't look brand new, I could turn it into a decorative cutting board. We shall see, but for $1.50, like, this is solid wood. $2. My kid that was with me loved it, and it is not old, so I'll probably paint it white because it has this bamboo look to it, and that's not my thing. But I will be redoing my kid's room when she turns 7 in August, and she said, "Mommy, can you put this in my room?" So I thought this would be a good little addition. I'm trying to go with like a vintage floral, her favorite color's pink vibe. And then this, I could not pass up. It was $2. It is super heavy because it is marble. I'm thinking in my future booth that this would be someone's style. This is not necessarily mine, but it would look really cool in like an all-white kitchen that has marble accents and then just a little bit of color. The next thing that I got is just goes to show you can find anything in a thrift store. We use these sound machines in every room of our house, including ours, and we take them with us when we travel, and they are the best home medics, right? They're the best. Yeah. What's your favorite sound?
Rain.
Rain, that's right. So they are about $17 at Bed Bath & Beyond with the coupon. And all electronics were half off yesterday. So this came in a bag with a baby monitor, and I got it for $5. And I just handed them back the baby monitor and said, go ahead and resell this. I don't want that. But for $5, we're going to keep this at Grammy's house because my kid always packs hers when she goes to Grammy's house, and this is just going to stay there now.
It's going to be in the girls' room.
And then something else that I got, this was probably an impulse buy, and I was thinking this is going to be in my future booth, you know, just speaking into existence. This guy was $1, so it was in the kitchen section. It's a really old metal, and I love the patina on the handle. So I was thinking it could hang on the wall like this, or like this, I don't really know yet. We will see. But I thought this was like my impulse buy for $1.
Mommy let me pick out one thing from the thrift store.
You want to show them what you got? It's new in the package. Never been opened.
$2.
It was $2. It is a washi tape art projector where it projects onto the wall, and then you use washi tape to kind of build each shape, and there's little slides in it, right? So I think you got a really good deal for $2.
Yeah.
It is a kit for kids that has never even been opened. I think you made a good purchase.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Almost stuck on me. Oh, gross. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Okay. This one, I'm kind of super excited about. One of the things that drew me to this house was the ginormous kitchen island that we have. And it's beautiful. However, when you have a family of 5, it collects a lot of stuff, right? So we have this little desk in the kitchen that I've kind of just said, okay, as long as the island is clean, as long as the island is clean, let's kind of put everything on the desk. Well, this summer, I'm not gonna lie, it's starting to get to me. So, can I? So I found this for $6. It is in super great shape. It opens. It hides stuff. It'll be a place for things to live. And close the door. And I am gonna show you this space. I'm not gonna edit it. It is a mess right now, but this is real life. So what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna try to be a solution for this crazy area. This was $6. I'm gonna paint it white. I may put a transfer on here. We shall see. Or I may just do it white. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so that's it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite deal I got was, or what your favorite project was. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get a message every time I upload a new video. And if you have people that you think would like this, please feel free to share my channel. That really helps YouTube know that this is content that people like, and it helps them share with other people. So thank you again for all your support, and I will see you next week. Bye.
Bye.
One more kiss. He's so cute.
You're so cute. Make sure you subscribe to my mom's channel. Hit the notification